Okay, so I'm finally back. I know it's been a long time, and I'm sorry, but I'm back for good now. I got all that swipe up on Instagram and stuff. Thank you for 10k. Get in. It took me far too long, but I got there. But today we are going to be learning just something on Instagram actually. Do you ever look at your Instagram, your own homepage feed, and you're like, this is a bit boring looking. I wish I could do something to make it better looking to potential clients or something like that when they look on your profile. So if you look at mine over here, you'll see I've got a swipe. I have a lot of people on Instagram tell me, how do you do that swipe? There's got to be a way of doing it. So today I am going to teach you how to do that swipe in like 3 easy steps, and your Instagram profile will go 0 to hero real quick. Hold tight, let's get into it. Okay, so we'll open the image on Photoshop. You have to have Photoshop to do this. I know some people will be like, I don't have Photoshop, I've only got Lightroom, but you have to have Photoshop to do this. So what we'll do, we'll open up an image. Let's open this. That's not Photoshop, is it, Alex? That's Finder. It's not Photoshop, is it? Alright, we're going to open it in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do. Gonna take, there we go. No. This image into Photoshop. There we go. Got there in the end. Okay. So how I do it, I always crop my, I always shoot landscape, I never shoot portrait. So I'm going to take this landscape and turn it into a square. So literally you just come up to the top onto crop just here, and we want to select the 1 of 1 square. So you want to hold down Alt and Shift. You want to pull out, pull the box out, pull the box out. Yeah, there we go, until it hits the layer bound. And there we go, smack enter, let that load up, and bam, you've got, that is your main image. So that is the image you're going to upload first. So that is going to be what you see first. So we'll save that down, chuck into a new folder, Instagram test. So you want to make that _1. Okay, so then we will revert that, just Command Alt Z. Then you want to come back up to here, and we want to go to, I have one already built in, but what we'll do, we'll come up to ratio at the top. Then what you want to put in is 16 by 8. And then you want to frame it to how you want your 2 images to sit. So I usually go dead through the center of the car. So you want to press enter on that. So that's our swipe, but you can't upload that as 1 image, so we have to make that into 2. So we'll come back up to here, go to square again, and what you want to do is drag that over. You can go left, you can go right, doesn't really matter. So there we go, that's 1. And you want to save that down as number 2. Bam, bam. Then revert that again, Command Alt Z. Then you want to shift that over to the left, because obviously we've done the right. And again, save that down to number 3. Skadoosh, skadoosh. So what we've done there is made our main image, and we've made our left and our right for a swipe. So I now flick over onto my phone, and I'll show you how to upload it. So what I do from here is, I go into Finder. You may not have this on Mac. You may take your images from your computer another way, like email them to yourself or use Google Upload or something like that. But what I do is I come over onto my desktop, find my images, select all 3, share, airdrop, because I'm a Mac user. Sorry PC users for getting offended because I said Mac. I am sorry, but you can do it various ways. And then you want to grab your phone, open that up. There we go, iPhones come up. And it will just quickly send all images, bang, straight up here. I've got them all, got my slide and got my main. Now we'll flick over onto the iPhone. you can see we've got the left, the right, and your main. So what we'll do, we'll come over onto Instagram, open up Instagram. Just got to turn my Wi-Fi off because it's really slow, very, very slow. Okay, so we'll add new image. So now you can see our left, our right, and our main. So you want to upload your main first, and then come over to the right-hand side where you've got 2 squares. Hit that, and then now you have to think about how it will look on your profile. So obviously you want left to right, so then when you slide, it's left to right. And it will upload seamlessly, I do promise you that. Then you want to go next, and then you can see now, if I slide over, you can see it there. Bam, bam. If I go next, what I'm going to do is actually upload this, and I'm going to see if anyone actually comments on it. Test for YouTube video, say hi. And if anyone actually says hi when I put it on there, I will give you a shout out. And then we'll share that, and I'll show you what that looks like on Instagram. Of course, my internet is really slow, but you're watching a video, so I can just speed this up, or I can just show you memes. I think showing you memes is probably a good idea, to be honest.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
And now it's uploaded. So you can see we've got our main, and then bam, you've got your nice little slide across, which is completely seamless, and it was only 3 little simple steps in Photoshop to do it, and it just makes the whole Instagram just look so much nicer, because you can click on it, and then you can just see details a lot nicer. And well, there you go, guys. I've shown you, as I promised, in my Instagram, and I do hope to hear from you soon. Thank you to you. If you've got any suggestions for videos like this, only small little videos, chuck them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I will answer all your comments. If you have any issues, drop them down below and I'll sort you out. Till next time, I've been Alex McKenzie, you've been the audience. Peace out.